It said with a blend of ice. Never mind. Wrong thing. It said with a blend of ice.
Mozzarella.
I'm
Call me, alright?
Yes.
I'm gonna stay up till I hear from you.
Okay.
What?
Okay. I'm right in front of his house. We are.
Where's my money? She just robbed me.
What is up, YouTube fam? So today is the day before Valentine's Day and 2 days before that steering wheel does not look nice. 2 days before my dad's birthday. So I popped up in Florida to surprise my dad with a birthday gift, and he does not know I'm here. He has no idea that I'm here. So I'm right in front of his house, and I'm about to ring his doorbell, go hide, and record his reaction of him getting whatever he needs to get. And let's see how this goes, because I kind of didn't plan this. I just planned to pop up. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So I'm walking up on the house now. I hope that he's not looking out the window or anything, or that he notices me. But I'm walking up on the house. I think they got an alarm system. This is my dad's car, y'all. I'm gonna make this so freaking quick. Alright, so I'm gonna put it here. Alright, I'm about to ring the doorbell and run. Hey!
What you doing?
Hey!
I don't believe it. My kid, I'm talking about DJ, yeah. Neighbors brought over some candy.
Yeah! That is funny. Yeah. Surprise!
What you
Hey,
doing?
I came to see y'all and drop off your gift.
How you get here, man?
How long you here for?
Till tomorrow morning.
Okay.
I gotta work this week, so.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, we all
I
gotta
figured
go
I'd
out.
just
We all
drop
gotta
it
go out
off.
to dinner. We'll go out to dinner later, yeah.
Alright.
Get out of here. What? How you
Close the
doing?
door, baby. There.
No,
Got like
I
1,000
stole
questions.
somebody's car.
Close the door, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's funny.
I'm confused, man.
Yeah, that my time is. I'm good now. You know.
Oh, you going on tours now? You don't have to work.
I don't have to hustle like that. Yeah, our part time
No
at
more
the studio.
Instacart.
No more Instacart. Yeah,
That's
only
good.
when you know.
I like you doing that
I want
Instacart.
to get a
That's
little
kind of
something.
dangerous.
I mean, if you do it early in the morning, it's
You gotta
alright.
be careful, man. You hear a lot of stories about this.
No, that's Uber you talking about. Uber, I
Yeah,
don't do
man.
Uber.
So the guy got kidnapped and
Yeah, you can't
oh
really
my
get
God,
kidnapped.
man, they couldn't even find it. They find it. You know, somebody took his car and everything. That's why
We
you gotta-
hustling.
don't
We
do
get
that.
money over here. We outside at the after parties. Getting money.
Oh, we are?
Oh, we
You
are.
Where we at? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
Where's my money? She just robbed me.
Yeah, the CEO, Sheera, we got businesses. Black Beauty Organics. It's right here.
I didn't see none of it.
You didn't see? Wow. Can you believe this guy?
No, can you believe this?
Yeah,
girl?
I could believe you because you bought the product and
Believe
didn't
my-
use it.
can you believe
He
my-
brought my products
What product?
and didn't use it.
Yeah, girl.
You happy you finally got your package?
Yeah. You finally got it. Okay, I finally got my Black Beauty organic from my daughter here. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Love you, Sheera.
Love you.
Thank you. Sheera.
And now he got amnesia. He don't remember nothing.
What product? African, what's it, Afro King?
How you gonna say Afro Sheen? You suppose how you gonna be the manager? How you gonna be the manager and don't know your daughter businesses? That's not good.
That's not good.
You get a negative
All right,
two.
cut the tape.
Negative two.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
He chopped. I need a new manager.
I'm your manager.
I'm the manager, really.
I'm the manager.
So,
Her father. Okay, turn the tape.
yeah, we gotta cut this.
Cut it.
At the end of the day, we lucrative over here. Everything is lucrative. We making
Put it on
money
you, Sheera.
without making money.
Who?
I mean, wait, no.
Show me the money.
You making money without even working, you know? That's how you want to do. You want to make money
Without working.
in your sleep without working. You know?
Wow.
I'm sleeping. People taking orders online, you know?
Wow.
I'm sleeping. People watching my YouTube videos. That's
Oh,
making money
definitely.
without working.
Without even
I'm
working.
not
Getting paid
working.
while you
I'm
sleep.
getting paid in my sleep. That's what we want to be in
That's
life.
sweet. That's sweet. Yeah, you're paid in my sleep.
Yes,
That's real sweet.
yes. Yeah, that's my shoulders off.
Can't go wrong, right? Wake up in the morning. Oh wow, this is what I got.
Right.
Check your account. Right? Cash app.
So what are we doing today?
We're going out to dinner. My birthday dinner.
Oh, it's my birthday dinner.
Your birthday. Your birthday too?
Yeah, I'm a Valentine's.
It's everybody's
I'm a
birthday.
Valentine's baby.
Yeah, okay. I'm the birthday, just a Valentine's Day.
Yeah, no, Valentine's birthday for me.
Valentine's birthday.
My birthday is Valentine's Day. And
Yeah.
his is before Valentine's Day.
Mine's is after Valentine's Day.
I mean, yeah, after the Valentine's Day.
That's alcohol.
Mine is before and his is after.
No more drinks.
So we celebrating my birthday.
She done messed up
We
now.
celebrating my birthday
that's it.
first and then his birthday.
Oh, your birthday's in March.
Cause I come first because my name is Cupcake.
Oh, God. Cupcake. Lost her mind.
What are we gonna eat?
What's the name of the place, Sheera? You know.
I don't know.
I forgot the name.
Yeah, no
The
more drinks for
Japanese-
him. He forgot the
Japanese-
name.
Buffet. Japanese restaurant.
Cause I'm cute.
Okay. I got work to do here.
You got work to do.
Yep.
Evil eye protection. Y'all see that? Protection from all evil. I like this drink. It's called the Pina Colada.
Yeah.
Chi-Cheese. With the blend of white rice. Oh my goodness, it have white rice in it.
It do, eh?
That's what it say. Oh no, it say white ice. Oh no, it don't.
That's it. Shut it down, man.
Wait a minute, no.
It's going down
It say
now.
with
It's
the
going
blend
down
of
now.
ice. It
My
say with
daughter
a
is
blend of
good,
ice. Never mind. Wrong thing. It say with a blend of
Wrong
ice.
drink.
I thought it had rice in it.
I thought I said like rice. It's got rice in it.
No, say rice.
I ain't gonna do that. Man. Drink with rice.
It's good. It do taste like it got rice in it though. Like sweet rice. You ever taste sweet rice before? That's what it tastes like.
For real? Hey, you funny, man.
How you gonna say wow for real?
Oh,
It
man.
tastes like it got sweet rice. You ever taste sweet rice?
Say what?
Like mango rice?
Mango rice?
Yeah. You never had that?
No. no. No.
You like no.
It's the last time. If you want to enjoy our drink, stay away from that mango.
Yeah, mango rice. It's
I'm only
when
gonna tell you this one more time,
There's
Sheera.
this place called Bahama Breeze.
I know about Bahamas Breeze. Come
They
on.
got rice with mango on it, like
Okay,
mango
yeah, I like-
flavor.
okay, maybe when we go.
It
back.
come with the shrimp, the
And
coconut shrimp,
Okay. And they got a lighter flavor.
and
Okay.
rice, coconut
That
shrimp
sounds
and
good.
rice.
I'm gonna
And
try that.
It tastes that drink, the pina colada tastes like the mango
You
rice,
said this had rice.
but it say blend with ice. I thought it said rice.
Ice rice.
I thought I seen an R there,
That's funny, man.
and it's an I. It say ice, not rice.
We're gonna switch the rice to the ice.
Yeah, blend
Ice,
with
rice, ice. Huh? You was close, Sheera.
I was close.
You got
I was very close.
I ain't know this thing happened. What I'm looking for the rice.
No, like
The rice
they
floating down
blended
there.
that rice good, cause I don't even see it. But anyway, y'all, this was Rihanna at the Super Bowl. She was like, yes, I was copying Rihanna at the Super Bowl.
Oh yeah, I'm recording. You wanna watch it?
Flat, flat. What's that? Nah, I'm good. I don't need to watch it.
They say she didn't do that good anyway.
Yeah, she was alright. It wasn't her best performance, but it was nice. Her dances held down.
Alright guys, take it up, yeah. Oh, I apologize, sir. Yeah, Alright, right, can we get fried rice and guys, the Japanese baby oil,
Japanese baby oil.
Johnson and Johnson.
Johnson and Johnson.
Mushroom melon. Anybody want mushroom melon? Welcome aboard to Train, guys. We're going to Dubai. Yeah, Australia.
Dubai.
Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, Magic Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom.
He said Dubai, Australia, Magic Kingdom. You know what's up.
It's free. Yeah, go to Germany, go to Japan, go to Middle East, it's free. If you're a member of
I wanna go to Dubai.
so,
What about Dubai? Hey,
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 yeah.
looking at my food, so
hey, what about you? Yeah, I like your trips over there.
yeah, thank you, no touch.
Yeah, I like Sheera has a lot of trips over there. Alright, Sheera.
The plan has worked, y'all. Surprise for that. Surprise to my dad, y'all. Yep. So, we had a great birthday surprise.
Yeah, it's wonderful, wonderful surprise.
Yes.
Huh?
Love you.
All right. Love you too.
All right.
You be safe now. You
I
better
will.
call me. You hear me?
I will.
Huh?
I will. I'm gonna
Call
call
me.
you.
All right.
Yes.
I'm gonna stay up till I hear from you.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
It's an hour and a half. You know.
Yes.
You know. You got the GPS. You got everything set up.
Yep.
Huh? Yeah. You know. Call me. You gotta go way down to some Lakeland. It's crazy, man. Yeah, I know.
You got the
Yeah.
address.
I'm not. I'm up here in Orlando, man. You know, ain't like a skipping a hop here. You know. I was just hoping.
You know where it is, right?
Yeah, I know. I got all the information. I got everything. I got everything. I got enough information. They can track him down quick.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
All right, you call me and get there.
I will. I'm gonna call you.
All right.
All right. Love you.
Next episode. All right.
Next episode.
Oh my God.
All right. We're gonna make sure we got a caller. All right.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. All right.
It's happening.
All right then.
All right.
Well, you got my birthday gift?
Oh God.
Mom got my birthday gift?
You ain't take him to the store, honey?
Oh no, I was gonna
All right,
take
bye.
you to the store and get you a drink.
All right. All right.
Oh God.
All right. Bye bye.